Richard, no? Ah, wala eh, hindi na uubra eh. So what's their brand? No? What's their brand, no? What do they stand for? No? Paano makaka-relate diyan ang mga karaniwang tao? No? Meron ba silang ipatulpo mo slogan? No? Doon nakaka-relate ang mga tao eh. Ipatulpo mo, di ba? So, they have to create not only a brand, kung hindi yung mga elements na kasama ng brand, no?
May
Yung
bagong radio show na sila, di ba? Yung tatlong senatorials ng
it's a
totoo.
good start, no? DCRH, no?
Yeah.
Meron silang DCRH, si Chel, merong Radio Veritas. It's a good start. Pero October, filing of candidacy na. Practically, start na ng unofficial campaign, no? In a couple of months, nakikita mo na yung demolition. Magkakaroon na ng possible catalyst by June or July pagdating ng ICC. So, nasan dyan yung oposisyon? No? Nasaan dyan? Parang hindi mo masyadong naririnig except for a few people like Senator Hontiveros, no? Pero hindi naman siya
Baka ang
kandidato eh.
strategy nila, Ronald
Hindi siya
Scott,
kandidato eh, no? Ang pinaka-prominent kasi si Senator Hontiveros. Pero hindi naman siya kandidato sa midterms. No? So where are the candidates?
baka ang style nila is let them demolish each other, cancel out each other, and then we come from the ashes of that. Parang ganon siguro. I mean, let's not forget, Duterte's victory in 2016 was because nagdudurugan yung tatlo, di ba? Binay versus Mar versus Poe. Baka they're hoping na they'll pull off something na magdudurugan tong dalawa na to. And then they will rise through the ashes of the two, to the two major houses. Do you think
Hindi,
there's may
ang
ganon
sinasabi ko nga,
optimism or wishful thinking?
ang sinasabi ko nga, ang nagra-rise from the ashes are the Tulfo eh. They may be too late, no?
Yun nga, you're right, you're
Ibig
right.
sabihin, kung walang iba na nagma-maximize ng ganong klaseng objective situation, no? Baka meron nagma-maximize eh. Merong subjective force, no? No? Sabi nga natin sa dialectics, no?
Yan
The
naman.
objective condition and the
Dahil may
subjective
Hegel
force,
ako
no?
dito.
Oo, oo. Nag-interplay na yan. So may objective condition at merong
Yeah.
subjective force na nag-exploit ng objective condition for a third pole. At for now, whether they are doing it actively or not, ang nagpi-feel niyan ay ang subjective force na nagma-maximize ng objective condition niyan are the tulfos,
Ang,
no?
ang, ang point ko, okay, ganito, Ronald. Kasi nung nagvi-videographer yung mami ko, napapagod yata siya at saka paalis ka na, kaya hindi kita natanong masyado. Eto na, ipupush na kita ngayon. No? Eto, by the way, yung mga hindi nanood ng special Ilustrado Restaurant Cafe edition namin na naka Narcos, panoorin yan. But, okay, Ronald, this is what I'm gonna say, no? What I'm gonna say is, okay, yeah, but how do you compete with the Tulfos? Obviously, you're not gonna do what they're doing. I mean, magbe-Ben Tulfo style ka na kita tayo sa abandoned warehouse. Tapos maghamunan ka, magsuntukan, ganun. Or, mumurahin mo yung police general. You cannot compete with them on that, right? Parang na-corner nila yung market na yan. And do you really want to compete with them on that? Diba? So, legitimately in an environment where bentang-benta itong mga scruffy, gritty, I'm just being nice, di ba?
Mm.
Approach. What is the space for the opposition to come in?
Well, if you cannot co-opt them, if you cannot co-opt the tulpos, no? Ang sigurado ko kasi ay silence cannot hack it, no? No? Pwede ka mag-trial and error eh. Ano bang brand ang pwede para sa opposition? Pwede ka mag-trial pero kung tahimik ka, paano ka magkakaroon ng learning curve? On ano ba yung brand na bagay sa iyo at saka pwedeng tangkilikin ng tao, no? Yun naman sinasabi ko eh. Silence won't do
Agreed.
it, no? Yung waiting,
Yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah. To get
Waiting na
lucky.
maging
Waiting to get
abo.
lucky.
Maging abo yung parehong dalawang kampo won't hack it, no? Kaya siyempre, kailangan mo na mag-analyze sila. What's the terrain? No? Okay, pag na-analyze mo na yan, no? Pwedeng i-summarize mo. Ano ba yung, because yung, ang tawag ko nga dyan, yung nangyari ng 2022 was a glorious defeat. Yung victory na historic ng Duterte at saka ng Marcos was a Pyrrhic victory. Dahil nakikita natin, it has no substance eh. At dahil walang substance, nagkabiyak-biyak agad, no? Whereas, yung inyong glorious defeat could have been harnessed to create the new opposition rather than yung mga Duterte opposition, no? Pero ngayon, hindi ko sigurado kung late eh. Dahil the pink wave were waiting to be consolidated, harnessed, no? To be led after the election. Hindi nangyari yun eh. No, hindi nangyari yun. Ngayon ba ay pwede pa silang balikan? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. So
Okay,
it could have been different. Eh. The
I
glorious
completely agree with
defeat,
you.
the Pyrrhic victory, no, could have helped create the third pole.
Um, although again, my contention is that one reason yung bardagulan ng dalawang higanteng dynasty niya na nangyari is because well, hindi sila threatened by the opposition. So there was a kind of, I won't say blessing in disguise, but some sort of unintended consequence. But okay, what's done is done. Okay, ang point ko ngayon is, let's talk about this. If you're Bam Aquino, for instance, you can be the guy who takes up the cudgels, no, and reminds the nation of the great contribution of the Aquinos. For everything you can say against them, hindi sila mga matay tao, hindi sila kurakot, at minahal nila yung bayan nila in ways that I cannot say about many other dynasties, to be honest. Jokno can come in and say, ano bang klaseng hustisya ang gusto niyo? Yung binabastos ang pulis, yung pinapatay yung mga tao ng EJK? No, you want a legit lawyer, someone who really fights for the people. Yung something a little bit more aggressive, di ba? And
Hmm.
then, of course, Pangilinan can come in, and he's a veteran. Maybe talk more about farmers, etc. So, what do you think specifically each of them can in terms of
Pwedeng, ang
yeah?
tingin ko, pwede kang sumama sa kanila at maging PR. No?
Ayan na tayo.
Dahil sinisimulan mo na sagutin eh, yung tanong mo eh, no? Yan yung mga elements na learning curve, no? Pero hindi yan mangyayari nang tahimik ka, no? Pwedeng trial and error. O, subukan mo ito. Subukan mo ito, no? Oh, hindi ubra, ito ubra. So, akyat ka na naman, one peg. Pero kung tahimik ka, paano mo masusubukan? How can you test that out? Ang nagte-test out niyan, basically si Senator Risa, to some extent si Laila de Lima, na wala rin balak tumakbo, or si Trillanes, na tatakbo sa local, hindi naman sa national. So ito yung mga nag-i-scale up, di ba? Ito yung mga nag-i-scale up. No? Tapos yung mga tatakbo, hindi nag-i-scale up. Doon ako medyo confused, no? Sabagay, madali naman talaga ako ma-confuse. Hindi katulad ni Richard na ang hirap ma-confuse niya.
Ayan
Very
tayo.
very solid yung kanyan eh. Yung balance, no? Ako madali ako ma-confuse eh, no? Ah,
Pero Sir Ronald,
sabi nga ni Robin Hood Padilla, litong-lito na siya. Litong-lito na siya, nahihilo na siya. Nahihilo na siya, no?
inayos
Kaya
na yung
no,
bigote
sa
niya
mga
pag sinabi.
nangyayari, nahihilo na daw siya, no? Talaga namang madaling mahilo kung kulang
Sabog yung politika mo, di ba?
tsaka kung kulang yung laman ng utak mo.
Oy, di umanoy. Di umanoy. Sir Ronald, di umanoy. Ito the last point.
Ah,
I completely agree with you na you have to be experimental, you have to be brave, you have to reach out. And speak of reaching out, do you think may problema yung mga ibang opposition na masyado silang purist, masyado silang sensitive? Di ba? I mean, okay, I'll be honest. I'm not gonna name names, but I've heard from a lot of people that I didn't expect it from or narinig ko through secondary sources na ang dami nag-complain na for instance nung tumakbo si Lenny, hindi sila nag-reach out dun sa maraming mga influencers, journalists who would be more than happy to contribute to the movement. And yet parang hindi sila yung kinakausap. Kinakausap, I don't know, si OG Diaz, I don't know, whatever. Yung mga ganun na nag-interview sa kanya. I cannot remember of Lenny
Ang
giving an
ang
interview
problema
to
kasi ng
one.
Lenny campaign, no, they decided too late eh. Nagdesisyon si Lenny tumakbo during the filing of candidacy. Imagine kung meron silang 6 months or 1 year earlier, no, yung mga bagay na yan na nagfo-fall in the cracks, baka naiwasan, no? At saka baka imbis na isang cluttered messaging, baka mas may focus. Katulad nila BBM, no? Sila BBM mas may focus dahil matagal sila naghanda eh, no? They were preparing for 2 decades, for more than 2 decades, no? So, yun yung isang kaibahan, no? Kung earlier, at least 6 months earlier, baka yung mga ganyang mga bagay, sino yung kakausapin, sinong hihimukin, paano ba yung messaging na hindi sabog, hindi cluttered, yan baka nasagot, no? Mas maganda kung 1 year earlier nakapagplano, no? You're campaigning for the flag, 'di ba? Yung highest political position. You cannot do that overnight. No? You cannot do that overnight. Kailangan mo ng panahon, no? Para pag-aakuan yan. Halimbawa, ngayon, meron kang 4 years. Meron kang 4 years, di ba? Meron kang 1 year before the midterm. Ayun, gamitin mo. No? Gamitin mo. Ang problema, hindi ko nakikita. No? Kaya nga dapat kunin ka nila as PR dahil yung mga sinasabi mo kanina, yun yung dapat pinag-uusapan nila eh. Di ba yun ang dapat pinag-uusapan nila? Yung mga bagay na
I'm
ganyan.
sure they're so magaling and they
Ako
have
kasi
all the
platter
knowledge.
lang ako eh. Platter lang ako eh. Hindi ako PR eh.
Buti nga ikaw, inimbita ka pa ng mga kapitbahay na inuman. Ako, kahit ano, hindi ako ano eh. Naiwasan ako eh. Pero I mean, you're right.
Hmm.
I mean, how should I put it?
Hmm.
Ako kasi, I think there's also the other problem of some people thinking na, di ba sabi mo kanina may pagka baka naman ang strategy yung mga DDS minsan. Baka naman meron din silang tendency na hindi eventually mananalo din kami in a teleological sense or something like that. Maybe there's also the tendency to think in the end babalik din this the pendulum will swing in the direction of justice and decency and gano'n. Baka may
Hmm.
gano'n din silang you know what I'm saying
Yeah,
eschatological
mga kwan, mga
yung mga may
millennials. Parang mga millennials na
may
mga
baka may
kaliwa,
pagka
no?
ganun sila, di ba?
Parang mga millennials na kwan, pasyon and revolusyon,
I won't
ileto.
say millenarian per se, but I think there's that kind of this is liberals we're talking about. We're not talking about leftists. Na mayroon silang ganun na in the end, you know, decency will prevail. Ganun. But my point is the arc of justice will be, I mean, you know, the arc of history will bend towards justice if you fight for it. And you have to fight for it constantly. That's the sock them way of looking at it.
Yeah,
The,
yeah, yeah.
diba? Which is different from liberals. I think there's always this naivety na in the end, etong mga trapo, demagogues, populists, they're just gonna, you know, dig their own graves. Hindi. Sometimes you have to put them inside that grave that they dug for themselves, right?
Oh,
It's not gonna work that way.
oh. It's not an oriflame adventure filled with noble deeds and tilts with destiny.
Ayan na,
No?
yung mga Austen,
But a vast, unrelenting universe of putsch
ayun,
and
nag-flex na nga yung
oppression.
mga poetic, ano
Naalala ko lang
niya.
si Taylor Calvin nung
Yeah,
kinuha niya na yung kinuha niya dahil political warfare is like that eh. No,
right.
it's not simply romantic eh. No, it's you fight lunatics, you fight scoundrels, no, you fight bad people eh. So evil people. So
Yeah, and
uh,
they're zombies. They don't go away. You beat them in
yeah,
one
yeah.
elections, they come
Oh,
back
yeah.
again.
You don't compromise your principles, but you don't use your principles as a strategy. No? Kaya, anong tawag mo? Bardagulan. No? Parang yung ginagawa natin dito. May ganong klaseng element yung politika natin. Bardagulan. No? Or else, no, nobody will take you seriously. No? Pag nag-negotiate ka sa mga warlords, mayors, politicians, no? Dapat medyo bahagi ng respect is that hindi ka nila pwedeng lokohin, no? Because you're not pie in the sky romantic or dreamer, no? Yun yung dapat maramdaman din nila na kaya mo rin kumurot, no? Kaya mo rin
You have to play the game. You have to be a pragmatic
you can
idealist.
also be a threat. You should also be a threat, no? So, pero that's
Ganda
a
nito
different
sa
topic.
Ronald, ah. Ulitin natin in person. Dapat naka-costume tayo ulit. Meron tayong script. Parang si Batay script. Meron tayong script. Alright, on
Ah,
that note.
para mga samurai, ruthless pero may
Oh,
code.
meron medyo
Pero
tayong
may code, di ba?
Musashi.
Oo, may
Musashi.
code, no? Oo. Natapos mo na yung Shogun.
Hindi pa eh.
Disney Channel.
Wala akong
Oo.
subscription.
Makikita mo, these are ruthless warriors and that they have a
Oo.
code. They have a code to live or
Yung mga
die
yan.
for. No? Yan yung
Wait
code.
lang, paano pinapanood? May DVD ba dyan? May DVD ba
Hindi,
yan?
Disney Channel eh.
Wala
Disney
akong
Channel.
subscription eh. Mahal
Ano
eh.
ka ba? 150 pesos per month lang yun. Oo. Ano ka ba?
Ayan na. Baka naman. Baka naman may account dyan na gusto mag-share
Oo.
sa atin. Pang Shogun lang,
150
ibalik ko
pesos.
sa inyo. Palitan niyo yung password pag natapos ko na yung Shogun. Okay, Sir Ronald, thank you so
Okay.
much. I really appreciate
Okay.
this. In a way, we build on our discussion.
Anytime.
But don't worry, Sir Ronald. On the sides of my other work, I'm still editing. Ay, nilagyan ko ng caption yung iba. Inaayos-ayos ko na yung auto-auto, mga
Natatawa
inaayos-ayos
nga
ko.
ako sa caption eh.
Naayos ko nga siya. Parang pinaganda ko yung iba, di ba? Para pang
Ah,
international, pang AFAM yung mga captions natin. On that note, thank you very much, Sir Ronald.
okay, good night.
Let's arrange something before the end of the month in person again with Mark ganon. Either
Sige,
sa
sige.
UP or somewhere else kasi wala na, nagawa mo na yung Barbero, nagawa mo na yung Easy, nagawa mo na yung Ilustrado. So maghanap tayo ng bagong tema. All right? Thank you so much. God bless.
Sige,
Talk to you soon.
bye-bye.
God bless.